How to change my Snapchat username before a year. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to change your Snapchat username before a year. Now open up your Snapchat app. After you open Snapchat, go to profile. After you open profile like this, now go to settings. If you come to settings, now go to username. In this section, now tap on this change username. So tap on this continue. So as you can see now I have option to change my username. But if you cannot change your username on your Snapchat, just follow the step that I will show you now. So now go back again. Under the settings, now go to scroll to down and go to help and support. This one, help center. So after you open the help center, allow it to finish loading. In the help center, scroll to down, go to this contact us, this one. So in this contact us, now scroll to down and choose this one. As you can see now, I need help with a Snapchat feature. So choose this one, scroll to down again, go and choose this settings. So after choose settings in this section, scroll to down and choose other in this section. So allow it to finish load. So as you can see now, scroll to down. So in this section now, type in your existing username. So in this section now, type in your email address. So in this section now, go and type in apology letter for the Snapchat. Go to ChatGPT and ask him to give you apology letter for Snapchat that you want them to change your username before a year. So after you copy the text, just paste in this section. After you paste your text, just tap on the submit button. Then from there, you can be able to wait for 1 to 2 days. Snapchat will reach out to you with the possible method to change your username before a year. Hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.